Holy crap, space is like if nature watched a horror movie and said, write that down. Sideways glass rain at 4,500 miles per hour? Who looked at that and went, yeah, let's name it HD whatever and move on? And think about it, who's the first guy to discover that? Some scientist is like, good news, we found a planet. Then he's like, bad news, the weather forecast is knives. But the zero gravity thing messes me up more. Astronauts get taller because their spines stretch, so space is basically a chiropractor that also tries to kill you. Like, what does that do to your body? If your blood moves differently and your heart beats slower, do you feel calmer or do you feel like your body is quietly loading the failure screen? And the floating drink thing, imagine trying to have a beer and it turns into a perfect sphere and just stares at you. You're telling me in space my beverage becomes a tiny planet and I'm the asteroid? Here's a question. If fluids turn into perfect floating balls, what happens to stuff you do not want turning into a ball? Who decided humans should test that? Also, the sun being 50 times closer would boil the oceans instantly and turn the atmosphere into plasma. Plasma. That's like the sky becomes angry science. So how do we live with the fact our whole existence depends on the sun not scooting forward a little? And if space is this chaotic, why are we so casual about it? We're like launching a tin can with people inside, be right back. What does it say about humans that we hear glass hurricanes and body reshaping and still go, yeah, but imagine the view? Because I'm thinking both. Mostly terrifying, but also kinda cool.